come to this building right in front of me. They're all moving. I'm curving hard.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's the wind or my hopper. Yeah, one's out. I don't know if I hit him. Maybe I did. Most of their good guys went to your side. Hold on, I got one right at this Lego. It's mostly black, I only see his barrel. Loading. Yeah, my red dot's dead, so. If he pushes to car, let me know. I'll reposition. I'll start focus fire there.
One more to the right.
Okay. Oh, he's far back.
Yeah. Yeah, but now I have to be aware of that side.
Yeah, hold on. I still got this guy at the
damn target.
There he goes. Hi, Ken! Hold on. That kid straight up got hit and he didn't even leave. From like me to the... Okay, now he's called it. He called it, good.
There's a kid on the
got him.
Behind the 4 barrels over here. He's on the right side. He likes to peek out a lot.
All right. Well, I got people right in front of me right now, so hold on. I got Ken coming your way. He's gonna be behind that black building.
Yeah.
Just keep it on that black building because he's gonna rush. Left side's relatively clear at the moment.
Okay.
Right
here.
Oh, hold on. I got one.
Yeah. Ooh, I think I got him. Come on.
I don't know if I hit him or not. I don't think so. The wind's curving it.
Did I get him?
Did you?
Because
I hope
popped
so.
out and I thought I hit him in his elbow.
Russian center. Yep, he's at that wind school. Ooh, got him. Is that you or me?
That was me.
Nice.
Nice.
Hold on, we got Mike moving center. One's coming up to the... He's out. There we go. They push smoke, so we got to watch our left really bad.
One is back at the tarp, black tarp. Yeah.
Okay. Do we have anybody else on our left? One of our guys, or okay. Pay attention to him. If he dies, let me know, so I'll go over there.
Hey Joe, there's a guy at this tree right here.
Which one? Oh. You mean the one right in front of you? I don't see anyone.
Shoot, there's a lot at the school.
Hold on. I don't have a shot. There's a car in front of me. Move it up. There he goes. One's down. There's still another one back there.
One down.
More pushing. We're more pushing center.
I'm looking at the spools.
Moving up.
All right, hold on. I think I hit you, but okay. I don't know if I hit your vest or not.
I don't know. Where was that grenade?
One of you got hit.
Ah, fuck! I'm dead. My gun's jammed.
Did I hit you in the vest? Because I'm not sure. Because I'm pretty sure I put a couple like right here.
You know, you probably did, but I was running.
I know, you were adrenaline rush. I'm like, so,
Yeah, just full
I
auto,
think
dude.
one, you're inside the kill house, so I can't.
Or, yeah, whatever. Like, I give you special permission.
I was like,
Full auto me.
no, I'm not doing that.
It's all
No,
right.
you're inside. I can't do that.
Guys,
That would look bad to everyone else.
Yeah, well, sorry about that.
I'm
Probably
pretty
did
sure I did, but I could check it later. It's whatever.
that. Guys are all dead. Right here. Clear it out.
It was fun though.
Yeah.
Free.
We good.
Speaking of full auto, in the Benghazi. Oh.
Oh, man.
Free.
That's my gun noise.